Everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. I just want to review some setups that we've been kind of stalking here. We've got the put call ratio here, and of course over here average true range. So ILMN, it's got a daily squeeze on it. Let's actually add that in real quick as well. Let's kind of see where we are on the squeeze status. Ding. There. So you can see this daily squeeze is forming. Because the primary trend here has been higher, I'm looking for this ultimately to resolve itself to the upside, but boy, it's just been trading sideways here for like a week, right? Now, the ADX is getting low. That's great when you get a squeeze combined with a low ADX. That's a good thing because it's essentially building up like double the energy. So you got a lot of potential here. Looking at the put-call ratio, the put-call ratio is going higher. That's also good. It's not extreme, but that just means that people are kind of buying puts, and you can see anytime if people buy a lot of puts here, it goes back up. I mean, it's very good about kind of shaking people out that way. So, it's one of those things where the setup looks fine. It's just kind of boring. It's just kind of like, kind of a hurry up and wait kind of thing. And this is like the death knell of options traders because every day that it trades sideways, you're losing premium too. So this is where it's good to try to make it theta positive, where you buy some calls and sell enough put spreads to do that. TLT, so TLT had a big move to the downside today. Let me link this there. So then the question here on TLT, wow, is that over? It's like, no, TLT, this thing, you can see it got got very extreme here on the calls. One of the lowest put call readings I think I've seen on all year, right here. So, bam, it's come back down, which makes a lot of sense. But we're coming back, we're reverting to the mean. And essentially, almost through all of 2014, anytime this thing reverts back to the mean, it's a buy signal, okay? And then if we look here just at the Qs, I mean, they continue to be strong. You can see we're very extended. Put call ratio is coming down a little bit here. Anytime we get down here a little too much, we start coming off a little bit. But nothing extreme at this point, right? It's just kind of hanging out there. Let's take a look at USO, which has just been obliterated here. And you can see the put call ratio definitely starting to get a little bit high. Same thing with XLE, meaning people are just loading up on puts. And at some point, if you get too many there, then you're going to look for that to kind of reverse. Interesting that the put call ratio is actually coming down here. That's actually bad for XLE. And so that's what we got. So as we head into, the last thing I want to look at is GLD for gold. And as we head into Wednesday, kind of midweek, you can see here that we're kind of trying to push through this primary downtrend, not able to get enough traction just yet. And ultimately, of course, this is being driven by the US dollar, which is exploding higher. Okay, so that's what we got. You guys have a good night. Gonna hop into the premium video, and we'll see you at the next update.